Hello YouTube family, it's Minnie here. Thank you for joining me today. I have a haul video for you guys and it's from Hobby Lobby. So let's get started. I'm going to start with some Easter stuff. I got some activity kits for my kids for Easter. They have Friday off, so it'll give them something to do. So the first thing I have here is a bunny sun catcher, a little painting, two-piece painting kit. And it doesn't come with a brush, I noticed, but I do have plenty of brushes. So this is what it looks like, and this was for Easter stuff are like 40% off right now. So this one was $1.19. So that's the first thing I got. The next thing I have is this like a window cling, gel cling, and it's more for like a spring. And I think my kids will have fun decorating our window. And this was $1.99 original price, but I think I got this for $1.19. So this was for $1.19. And then the next thing I got is this foam kit bunny set. This looks so cute. And this is again 2 sets, and this was $2.49 original price, and then with 40% off, this ended up being $1.49. So that's what I got for my kids. And in terms of like some essential boring items, I got this little pom-pom here, full for pom-pom for $1.79. I'm making a hat, or I made a hat. I just needed to add this on the top, so I got one of those. And then I got this little sewing kit. This was 99 cents, which I thought was a really good price, and you get different, a lot of different colored spool of thread. And I want to start sewing up my lining for bags, so I wanted to get this a small set to see how I do with sewing. And then I got this stamp set from Bo Bunny, and this has all the words, sentiment that you would need to make a card. So with just this one thing, you can make tons and tons of cards for any and every occasions. Let me read out a few to you here. We have New Year, happy birthdays, hello, thinking of you, congratulations, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Easter, Merry Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving. Like this is all you need to make cards, really, or you know, if you want to make albums and stuff. But definitely for card, this is a great deal, and I got this for $2.49. And then I am super excited about this. This was for $6.99, and it comes with 10 sets, 10 different sizes of crochet hooks. I don't think even Amazon can beat this deal, and it comes with the handles that are larger. So I'm very happy with this one. And then the last thing, well, this is not last thing. And then the next thing I got is this glue here. It's from Beacon. It's Advanced Craft Glue. I got this mainly for fabric, but I think it works on paper pretty well too. So I'm going to try this out and see how it works. I've heard people using this glue for like if your paper warps, that this does not. So I want to try this out, especially for like making altered composition notebooks and things like that. And then in terms of yarns, I got, this one doesn't have a little information band there. Okay, from Yarn Bees, I got 3 of these 3mm cotton, 100% cotton yarn in denim color. I am making a handbag, and that's why I got 3 of these. Hopefully these will be enough. And then the next thing I got is this, oh, actually, the prices for these are $4.99, and that is the price I paid, because it said, usually their yarns go on sale like every other week, but I think these never go on sale, so I paid that price I paid $4.99 each for those. And then I have 150 skeins of cotton floss. And this was for $9.99, and I think this will come in really handy to do a lot of different things. And last but not the least, I got a ton of these sequins and embellishments and polymer clay chips and resin mixes. So this one here, and I think, so this one was $1.49. These are little bows, and they're in different colors. They're pink, kind of like a peach, white, purple, and teal colors. I have been loving making those bookmarks, shaker bookmarks lately. So I thought all the things that I got here would be great to add in my shaker bookmarks. So that's one thing. And then the next thing I got are these little iridescent resin fish. They look like koi fishes to me. They're very beautiful, a little bit sparkly as well. They're in like shades of green, blue, pink, yellow. So I think I can use these in with different papers. And these were 50% off, so I got it for $1.50. And then the next thing I have is a little more Easter themed. These are polymer clays, and it has little bunny, little cracked eggshells, just a round pink shapes and a cylinder shape, some orange eggs, and oh no, those are carrots, not eggs. Carrots and some little chickens. So this will make a really cute Easter themed shaker anything. And then I have these sequins here. These were 99 cents. Again, pinks, purples, greens, and then some shells. These are 99 cents as well, and some sequins. I've been seeing a lot of people doing these sequins as like decorating the albums and cards. So I think I want to try that with this too. I think the white, iridescent white will kind of go with anything. So got one of those. And this one is kind of Easter themed as well. So on the top we got some clay, little spiked chickens, and some round shapes. And then this one is just some plastic balls. And these ones are, it looks like crystals, and they're flat. They're not like bicones. And then here we got some bunnies, some sheeps. I think I see some sheeps, but they're all yellow. And then the next one we have here are white bunnies, white cracked eggs, and what are these pink ones? Is that like a back of the bunnies? But they're pink. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna have to figure out what these things are. And then the last, these purple ones are really nice too. More like periwinkle colors. So we got flowers, kind of like a moon, crescent moon shape. So that's what we have here. That's Easter themed. And then I got two of these sequins. You can never go wrong with gold colors and in different shapes. So I got two of these in different sizes. So that is pretty much it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.